Hi, so this is Alfred at the Z.I.T.F 2023. So I'm at the Telco stand and I'm with Mr. Dehwa. So he's going to tell us briefly what Telco is doing here, what they're up to. Mr. Dehwa.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Okay.
Welcome to Telco. We are mostly a broadband company, meaning that we offer internet to people, homes and businesses.
Okay.
But with time and as Telco is growing, we've brought in more products.
Okay.
Mostly solar, tracking, and quite recently we started manufacturing.
You're into manufacturing now. What are you guys making now?
We're making paving, we're making cladding, also doing PVC piping.
Okay. So are you still operating as one company or it's a group of companies?
It's still under one company.
Okay.
It's all under one company.
Okay. So how's the uptake been so far at the Z.I.T.F? Like I know this has been the business days, but it's like people coming through. How are the inquiries going?
Z.I.T.F has been quite busy. There's been a lot of people coming through. I think there will be a lot of good business coming from this year. It's been quite a good experience, especially organizing it. And a lot of the questions we're getting from customers will help us even as a business to get better.
Okay. So generally what's moving the most? Solar, what's been good, let's say in the last year?
In the last year, I would say internet.
The internet.
The broadband, yes.
It's still the backbone of the business.
The backbone of the business, yes. But then there's the one product that I haven't mentioned that's also been moving quite well. A product called Uto. It's a business software package.
Okay.
That's been picked up by quite a number of businesses over the last year.
Okay.
Yeah, we basically use this to help people's businesses get better.
Okay.
Yes.
How does this do this?
Alright, so how it works, there's different applications that you can load into the main software package.
Okay.
And these different applications then allow you to perform your business functions at a better level.
Okay.
More efficiently, more quickly.
Okay. Yes. Are these office type of things, calculations, accounting, what exactly?
It's limitless. We can essentially panel beat it or fit it towards your business. If it's purely accounting, we can do purely accounting. If you have a manufacturing business, we can set up manufacturing for you. Yes.
So what's the price point?
The price point, once again, it depends on your business.
Okay.
We have small packages such as our business in a box package, which can be as low as $200 a month.
Okay.
Up to an enterprise solution that could be thousands of dollars a month, just depending on
what exactly is going on with the item. How about paying for this product? Okay, for all these products, say paving and everything. Are you're paying in Forex or paying locally? We also swipe. Are you guys taking all forms of payment?
We take all forms of payment. We're not limited to anything.
Okay.
Whatever you have, we take.
All right. Okay. Now the key question I also wanted to ask you guys. Where can you be found? In Bulawayo, Harare, where around?
Alright, so we are...
How can we get in touch?
Okay, how can you get in touch? You can reach us on our social media, just look for Telco Broadband and beyond. If you'd like to see us physically, we're located in Harare and Bulawayo.
Okay.
In Harare, we're in Pomona. In Bulawayo, we're just here in town.
Okay.
Yes, and then if you are a tourist, we have our offices in Victoria Falls as well.
I think that's all we wanted to know from Telco. So Fred and Mr. Dehwa signing out.
Signing out.